The media says Muslims are terrorists. What is the meaning of the word terrorist? Terrorist by definition means a person who causes terror. Whenever a robber sees a policeman, he is terrified. So for the robber, the policeman is a terrorist. I am aware that this word terrorist is more commonly used in order to terrorize an innocent human being. And many a times, two different labels are given to the same person for the same activity. More than 60 years back, before India gained its freedom, and India was ruled by the Britishers, there were people who were fighting for the freedom of the country. And these people, by the British government, they were called as terrorists. Whereas by the common Indians, they were called as freedom fighters. Same people, same activity, but two different labels. If you agree with the view of the British government that the Britishers had come to rule over India, then you would call these people as terrorists. Whereas if you agree with the view of the common Indians that the Britishers had come to do trade, they had no right to rule over us, then you would call these people as freedom fighters, as patriots. Same people, same activity, but two different labels.